Hi, it's IPC Apex Expo 2023, day one. I'm here with Andy from Gen3. Good to see you.
Hi there, yeah.
It's been a while since we spoke, pre-COVID, I guess.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The world's changed a bit. Well, it actually feels like it's got back to normal now. So, and this is, I think you said this is your first trade show.
I think so. I was just debating that. Yeah, it's nice to be back in San Diego.
Yeah.
We love coming here, but yeah, last time I was here was February 2020, and a month later I was being told I couldn't go out of the house for more than an hour a day. So, really good to be back, and it's nice to be here.
So, what's new with Gen3? Actually, talk me through it again, because it's been a while since we talked. So, tell me.
Yeah. So. We have had an interesting time through COVID. Obviously, everyone was pretty scared in terms of what the heck was going to happen. So, happily, Gen3, we did really well in 2020. We were fortunate enough that we didn't really go backwards at all. 2021, we increased from previously, and then 2022 was our best year ever by a huge margin, which is great. So we sort of grew around 90% on the year before.
Wow.
Yeah, which is great, but it's a challenge to maintain that. But it's exciting. But we've got lots of developments that's behind that and stuff. So it's great.
And I guess somewhere like this gives you a chance to see US distributors
Yeah, absolutely. So we're represented in the US by a company called Horizon Sales, headed up by Dave Trail. And we appointed them actually last time I was here at the 2020 trade show. So they were handicapped massively, of course, because they haven't been able to come over for training or anything like that. So it was last summer that they did come over. And they've done really well for us, and I feel like we're still scratching the surface with them. So
that's good. Yeah. And then what's new for this year?
Well, we have launched a new website. So there's been a huge change in the IPC J Standard 1, a new revision, which people may be familiar with the Rose test, and a number 1.56. That has been removed. So the industry is saying, okay, so what do we do next? And we've put together a website which is all about objective evidence, because that is what they need to do. To qualify your manufacturing process, you need to provide objective evidence. So what is that? And that's where you have to qualify your boards using SIR testing, and then you have to have a shop floor go no-go number. But so it's quite complicated. The removal of this 1.56 number, which was a generic thing, is a big step change. So what do you do now? So this website, www.objectiveevidence.org, is an explainer site to provide all free information for anyone to go and see it. And just sharing the knowledge.
And I guess there wasn't really any help like that around.
Well, that's why we've done it.
Yeah. Dumb question, really. But it's like you say, it's on the surface a small change, but actually for businesses, it's a huge thing to get around.
Yeah, well, like we said, I mean, everyone knows the Rose test, and everyone sort of has known about this number, and removing it means, okay, what do we do next? And that's what I was saying. You have to qualify your process using SIR. It's a resistance measurement, and then once you have a known good board, if it's past SIR, then you can put it into an ionic contamination tester, so which we're calling PICT, process ionic contamination testing, and that can be your shop floor go no-go. Using that, you can have a new number, whatever it is, and that can be your dedicated number for your process. And that's what we're trying to share and get the industry to help understand, basically.
Has reaction to it been good here?
Yeah, it's been great so far. Yeah, I mean, everyone always appreciates, I think, having a shared knowledge and helping educate the industry. So far so good, and fingers crossed it continues.
And it's the perfect place to launch it. Everything the IPC.
Exactly. Exactly.
Good. Well, thanks for spending the time talking to us. I hope the rest of the show is busy for you. I'm sure it will be.
Absolutely.
And hopefully see you in a year rather than 3 years' time.
In Anaheim.
Anaheim, yeah.
Indeed. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.